I have already have some lessons in Spanish. And then I ask them, okay, cool. How do you say, I don't know? And they're like, what? And I'm like, what? It's your teacher, Maria. So just a little disclaimer, you can also have personalized lessons with me. Sentences that you have to know in Spanish. So my experience when I have students, it's like, okay, they have a couple of lessons and they tell me, yeah, I have already have some lessons in Spanish. And then I ask them, okay, cool. How do you say, I don't know? And they're like, what? And I'm like, what? And I'm like, what do you do all these lessons? Do you know how to say, I don't know? So this cannot happen to you, okay? This cannot happen to you. You have to know how to say things such as I don't know in Spanish, okay? And here I'm going to teach you how to say this. So, okay, we go with this. First one, repite por favor. Repeat, please. Second one, no comprendo o no entiendo. I have a small store online where you can buy these resources and specifically this sheet, so you remember, not just remember how to say all of this, but also test yourself with a little test that is also there, so you know exactly how to say all these sentences, okay? So let's keep going. No sé, no sé, I don't know. So your teacher goes, okay, ¿cómo dices tired en español? Oh, no sé, no sé. No hay problema. It's okay. No hay problema. Another one that you can answer to your teacher is más o menos. Más o menos. Más o menos.